All right, this is going to be our ankle rock motion here to work on rear foot ankle mobility. So the key here, I'm going to show you in a couple different angles, is when I lean back, I'm going to externally rotate my leg, and you can see how my foot rocks and coils up. And then I'm going to go the opposite way and try to drive my knee forward and across my big toe. Okay, so you're going to see how much this foot rocks and twists in different angles here. So from a rear foot position here, the key here is watch what happens to the ankle. So as I lean back, I obviously rotate this way, and then as I drive it forward, I'm gonna dip in. That dipping in on the ankle is good. That's what we want. I want it to open up this way, and then I want it to close down. Okay? That is going to help work on that rear foot limitation.